First of all, I want to check if I already have Python installed on my PC. To do that, simply go down to your taskbar and type in command prompt. Click on command prompt. This opens up the command prompt window. To check for Python, simply type in Python and then -- version and hit enter. If you have Python installed, it tells you the version of Python installed in your PC. Here you can see that it says Python was not found. So I need to install Python. So close the command prompt window. To get Python, go to the website python.org and that opens up the Python homepage. On the Python homepage, go to downloads and click it. It opens up the latest version of Python at the time of making this video, and it automatically identifies your operating system. But if you are on a different operating system, you can choose from the available options. So Python 3.11.2 is the latest version at the time of making this video. Click on download and it starts downloading. Once it's finished downloading, click on the .exe file to install. So click on run. But before clicking on install now, go down here and check add Python to pass. Click on install now. This installs the setup. The setup installation was successful, so close the window. Now open the command prompt again and check Python version and if it is successfully installed. So type in Python space -- version. Hit enter. This now shows you I have Python installed on my PC and the version is 3.11.2. Now close this command prompt window and open up the Python. So to open the Python, go to the taskbar and type in Python. You can see that this Python 3.11 matches our search. So click on this prompt. This opens up the Python terminal window where you can start programming in Python. We are now in the Python's interactive window where we can start to code. So we can just start typing in some Python codes. So I want to show you guys a very basic Python program, and it's just gonna be a hello world program that is just gonna print something out onto the screen. So I'm gonna type in print, which is a Python's built-in function, then open and close parentheses. Now inside of this parentheses, put quotation marks and write hello world. This is just a very basic Python program which prints out hello world onto the screen. Now hit enter and here it says hello world. So it's sending back exactly what we sent into this function. Congratulations, you have now run your first program in Python.